Hey guys, this is Pratap here, and today we are going to discuss about Cisco Firewall. So Cisco Firewall, that is your Cisco ASA, Adaptive Security Appliances. So this is the virtual environment that I already have, and I will be adding some of the firewall, and I will be showing you up how to check that ASA, you know, uh, setup. I mean configuration console and all those. So that Cisco ASA you can configure in this following ways. So you can configure Cisco ASA with the help of CLI mode. I mean, let me write here configuration. Configuration you can do, with the help of CLI. Then you can make with the help of GUI, mean graphical. So with the help of ASDM, and also you can connect with the VPN and you can configure the Cisco ASA. So now you are going to have a basic configuration. I mean how you will be configuring a Cisco ASA, how you will be checking the display and all those things. So that configuration. So those all you are going to check it right now. So just have a look. I'm just going here. Now I will be right click on it, and then I will be adding Cisco ASA. So this is one Cisco ASA I'm adding. So 9.7, that image version, one CPU and 2 gig of RAM. So then I'm adding one node. I'm using one switch, Cisco switch. I'm adding it here. Okay, now I will be making them connectivity. So I have made the connectivity. So this is your Cisco ASA, and this is your switch. So let me turn it on. So it's selected and turn it on. Once you click on this, you will go here. So this is your ASA. You will be boot up here. So it's booting up your ASA. Yeah, platform is ASAV. IO memory blocks. Then we will be going to the switch, and we will turn it on. So you can see the switch also will be come up here. Switch also started booted. I mean booting process has been started. You can check it here. So total NICs is found 8. All are in a gig interface. Okay. So finally we are in the Cisco ASA. So now once you will be coming here. So this is switch. It's about to start. I mean booting process has been almost finished. So it will be come up now. So that yeah, switch is up here, you can see. so that our AAC got rebooted. So you will be waiting for a while to come up. Yes. Okay, so you can see it here, like Cisco ASA. If you type in here, it will be asking for the password. So by default there is no password. So you give enter. So you will be in the privilege mode. So the commands we are going to discuss now. So first we will be going here. Let's say in this we are going. So first we will be checking how to verify the version. How to verify the version. Alright. So that we will check in the Cisco ASA, right? So you'll be going, even though from the global configuration mode, I mean from this particular mode where you are now, I mean you are here, right? So from here itself you can check that configuration. Okay, so let me write it here first. So how to check the version? Show version. So we'll be going here, check show version. She's showing 9.7. Okay, you can check it here, Cisco Adaptive Security Appliances software version 9.7. Okay, now if you give that show inventory, so you can check it here. So this is serial number, this is ESA V in the chassis portion, it is showing up here. Now suppose I want to by default it is Cisco ASA. If I change the host name, so how we'll be doing? So that was the command, show version. Oops, just a minute. So next what we are going to check, we are going here and setting the host name. So you type here host name, and let's say you are putting network, right? So once you'll be going here and type there host name, type network raid, you see the name has been changed. So next will be come up here. So that is the second command. So third will be, so how to check date and time. So we are going to check number 3, checking date and time. How am I going to check that? So we'll be going here and check show clock. So you go here, show clock. So the clock is showing here. Alright. Now you see that if you want to set the time, so how we are going to do it? So in that case you will be giving this command, clock set. Okay, clock set, suppose right now 7 o'clock. So we can put here 0 7 27 45, and today is 12th May 2020. So you give enter. Now check show clock. So time has been set and it's updated. You can see that. Now if we are planning to set the banner, then we are going to check the banner. We are going to set the banner. Setting up the banner. So how we are going to set up? Now you will be going here and type here banner and then you type exec, and you can put it here, working on progress. So you give enter. Okay, now you can check show interfaces, show interface IP brief. Okay, so this is the 8 interface which is showing up here. Now we will be going to the topology and we will check that it is connected with gigabit interface, gig interface, and which is connected here gig 0 by 0. Alright, so how we are going to set that interface or IP or something you are going to set here. Now you go here, interface G 0 by 0. So you are inside that interface, right? Now you can set that IP address. Let's say IP address 10.10.10.1 255 sorry 255 255 255 0. So you can give no shutdown. So no shut. Okay, now you go and check show interface IP brief, or you come up the you just come out from there, check show interface IP brief. You can see here this interface 0 by 0, that is up, and you have set that IP address there. Alright, now you have to add the speed there. Okay, so how we'll be doing interface gig 0 by 0. Now you type speed auto. If you give that speed and question mark, it will be showing what all speed you can set up there. Okay, now we can set that password and all other things we can set up here, but that I will be come up later. Now I am going to show you into the switch. I will be doing some configuration. Let's say I will be creating VLAN 10, name Cisco interface, switch interface. What is that interface there? Let me see. So that is also gig 0 by 0, interface gig 0 by 0, and no, okay, switch port access VLAN 10. Now interface VLAN 10 IP address like 10.10.10.2 10.10.10.2 and then 255 255 255 0. So you put no shutdown. Now you ping that ASA. What is the IP address of ASA? 10.10.10.1. So you can see up there whether it's reachable or not. Say it's not reachable. Can you see that? So we have seen that IP address of that ASA. So it's a 10.10.10.1. But once you are pinging from here in the switch, if you are pinging it, it's not ping up. I mean ping, it's not happening. Why? Because when you will be configuring that Cisco ASA, you have to mention the security level. Alright, security level, before making that security level, we have to make sure. So in the security, in if you consider this is your Cisco ASA, so if it is connected your inside, I mean, let me make it more clearly. Suppose this is your ASA, and one of the link is going your LAN. Alright, once this link is going towards your LAN, so that is called your private. That is your private network. So by default, in ASA we keep this one security level